Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about our trip to Taramati Peta Chervu. So it is on the outskirts of Hyderabad and this is the view as you can see.
So before we move forward, let me detail you one thing. In this video, I am going to cover a big stretch which is from Gatkesar to Taramatipeta Chervu. So on the way, you'll be seeing a lot of nature related spots and I have even made some videos on them which you'll be seeing now. And this is the map. So right now we are on the extreme left which is near to the Gatkesar outer ring road. And from there all the way we need to go till Taramatipeta Chervu or the lake. And as you see where the direction line has ended, that will be our final destination. And of course, on the way we'll be seeing a lot of nature spots and even some important landmarks. So let's go. And from here, if you go straight and take a left, it will lead you to Gatkesar town and further the Rayaraupet lake, where I have made one of the video. You can check it in the description link. It's a beautiful nature spot. And here we come across the crossroads of Hyderabad Warangal highway. So if you follow this highway, it will lead you to BB Nagar, Jangam and finally Warangal, and even have covered a nature spot over there which is BB Nagar lake, and it's even a bird watching site. So do watch the video in the description link on the top. So moving forward, we will be continuing on this outer ring road service road and we'll be coming across another nature spot which is Edulabad. Well, I have made a video on Edulabad recently as it is a multi-nature spot. So what's so special about Edulabad? Well, there are temples, there are farmlands, a beautiful lake, and the most important one, it's a paradise for bird lovers, as one can find more than 171 species of birds. Yes, that is true, and even I have witnessed it over there. So if you're looking for that video, do check it out in the description link. Well, by now you people would be wondering after seeing the surroundings, as it is surrounded by the high tension wires. Well, this comes under the power grid and it is located near to Edulabad. And if one is traveling to Edulabad lake, you people would be coming across these high tension wires, and further it is extended to the parts of city. A small information about power grid. It is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. It is an Indian state-owned Maharatna company headquartered in Gurugram, India, and it engaged mainly in transmission of power, and it even transmits about 50% of the total power generated in India on its transmission network. And here we come across a bridge, and underneath this bridge the river Musi passes through. An interesting fact about Musi river, well, it divides the historic old city and the new city, and you can see a rough figure of how it divides. Yes, and there you go. And a part of the river is also spread on the other side. And a small information about the Musi river. It is a tributary of the Krishna river in the Deccan Plateau, flowing through Telangana state in India. After crossing the bridge, we have come across a go-karting site. Well, one of our videos going to be on go-karting soon in future, so stay updated for that. And then some beautiful farmlands nearby. Spectacular view it was. And finally the wait is over. Soon we are going to approach the lake, and before approaching the lake, this is the administrative building. of Taramati Peta Outer Ring Road exit.
After many failed attempts, finally we managed to discover a good spot, I would say. Well, and during rainy season, yes, this area will be submerged. As you can even see this part, till here it is. Still here the lake is there. One can see the water. And even this is a perfect spot for chilling out with friends, especially if you're coming with group. One would really enjoy it.
And talking about the location, well, this is near to the LB Nagar Outer Ring Road exit. It's on the outskirts of Hyderabad. And an overall review about this place, well, it's a beautiful place to hang out with friends, and I would recommend to come in groups. This place is a feast for bird lovers, as one could see a lot of birds nearby. And the most important thing, I would say this is the smallest lake I have come across in Hyderabad. So if you people want to see how small it is, do visit this place. So you can ask the locals nearby. Once you approach this place, they will tell you the exact route, as sometimes Google Map won't be showing the correct route. And this time we managed to take a very short time lapse, as it was about to rain and we had to rush back to our place. So that was our journey, guys. If you have loved this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the meanwhile, stay safe. Thank you very much.